What is up, guys? Just finished my photo shoot with this 3D printed box, and I don't know if it will be good, but let's see. So it's already 1 p.m. and right now I will try out the second-hand RPI cam that I just bought today. It's 1:30 p.m. So tested out the RPI cam and failed. So it's very sad, but there's a saying that I learned from Gary Vee. It's just don't dwell and just keep executing, just keep doing stuff, and everything will work out in the end. So that's it. It's 2:37 p.m. and I finished my Photoshop file of the virtual play that we will give at a seminar on Saturday for our TechX. And here it is. It's gonna be blurred, but it's just play. It's just a play. It was a good practice for my Photoshop skills, which I don't have. So it's 6 p.m. and I have been resting for 3 to 6 p.m. And yeah, so we have a org meeting and then I'll try and program the 3D printer. Oh, what a long day. Not that long. I just played. Bye. So woke up around 8 a.m. and fell asleep during our meeting. Now I'm trying to make an apology. So about the org, a really fun thing to do when you're still in college and you meet people there that will be one of your friends or your peers, and it's just really fun. And that's it. That's the end of the daily vlog one. Yeah, it was sad that the RPI didn't work out, and you just keep moving. You don't dwell, you just keep on executing, keep on doing, and hope it works out. Bye.